Hello everyone, greetings from IAA 2025. We are in Munich together with Rachel Forestier from Valeo, Group Marketing Director, to have a discussion about what is Valeo is actually introducing today. Good afternoon, Rachel. I hope you are doing well, and thank you very much for making yourself available in this busy schedule of yours.
Good afternoon, welcome to Valeo booth at IAA 2025.
Okay, so actually in this year's IAA, there is a lot of focus around software. We also saw that Valeo is actually introducing its journey from engines to algorithms. So we are looking for a portfolio of solutions that you are introducing today. But as a first question, I want to ask you about how is actually this software journey is defining Valeo's identity and activities today.
Thank you for the question. So the car of the future is going to be software driven. The value is captured by the software, and Valeo is at the forefront of this revolution. So today we are unveiling a brand new mock-up, which is about all the different assets that Valeo can bring to these customers and partners to help them to go faster into that revolution. So it's about offer, software as a product, it's about middleware, it's about services around software, it's about the team that can support this revolution, and it's about the tools in cloud native tools, but as well all the different partners of the ecosystem. This year especially, we can unveil a catalog of features, software as a product for all the different scope from Valeo, from ADAS, inter-experience, powertrain, thermal, or even lighting experience. For each of this scope, we do offer feature of the product which can be pushed to the car over the air in order to enhance the experience of the car.
We are talking about a portfolio of solutions, and you have mentioned about an exciting solution, which is AssistXR. So would you like to give us a bit of brief? What is it about with the AssistXR?
Yes, sure. So AssistXR is all about using software in order to enhance the hardware already equipped in a car. So today in a car, we do have sensors in order to capture the environment of the car, and you do have as well sensor inside. So AssistXR is about leverage all this sensor information in order to offer a new service, which is about providing an efficient, quick assistance to consumers in case of a breakdown or in case of an emergency. So in case of a breakdown, we will be able to send the telemetric information of the car with the exact description of the context to the support in order to provide the right support very quickly. And in case of an accident, we will be able to figure out inside what is the state of the passenger. So it will be very useful.
So now I want us to talk a bit about how Valeo is actually contributing to the safety of the users on the road.
Thank you. So at this show, we are unveiling for the first time a brand new mock-up, which is coming out of a collaboration with Enostar. So this mock-up is about signaling in high definition using MiniLED, which is about going to the next step of communication between the users. So on this type of signaling, you can interact with other road users, and this technology is enabling to have very thin character, like Chinese character, to be displayed on this kind of device.
In this IAA, we see that electrification remains as one of the main themes. So can you tell us what are the concrete steps that Valeo is taking today to make electrification more accessible as well as more efficient for its partners as well as the customers?
So first, I would like to remind you that we do have a broad portfolio of solutions in order to support our customers towards this path. So we do have solutions on the powertrain and the thermal side in order to address the BEV, the plug-in hybrid, and the range extender. Second, if we take the BEV, battery electric vehicle, we do have three ways in order to make it affordable. First of all, we can combine in a system different features. Second, we can work on the compactness, reducing the weight. And third, we can increase the speed of the motor in order to reduce the size of it and reduce all the elements inside the eDrive.
And now let's talk a bit about sustainability. So in this year's IAA, what type of sustainability-focused innovations are you unveiling as Valeo?
So sustainability is at the heart of Valeo strategy, and especially with the plan, CAP 50 plan of Valeo. To that path towards CAP 50, we do have different ways. First of all is remanufacturing our product, like the inverter. Second is about introducing new materials. Third is designing new product. So this week at the IAA 2025, we unveil a brand new product, which is the eDrive we co-developed together with Malik. So this eDrive, which just behind us, is without magnet, without rare earth material, and contributing to reduce the carbon footprint by 40%.
Pursuing all these strategies around electrification, software, as well as sustainability requires a lot of partnerships and the collaboration with the ecosystem. How is Valeo what type of partnership Valeo is developing today to pursue this strategy?
On the race towards software-defined vehicle, electrification, automated driving, or sustainability, the key of the system's success is going to be ecosystem and partnership. So that's why we at Valeo, we partner not only with customers, but as well with our entire ecosystem, from tech giants like, for instance, AWS, towards Qualcomm, and Momenta, for instance, for the software stack on the ADAS.
Okay, so looking at 5 to 10 years ahead, how do you see Valeo position itself in this transformational journey of the mobility?
So we believe the mobility of the future is going to be safer, more sustainable, and software-driven. So Valeo is committed to that. We do have a clear trajectory, a clear plan, and we are committed to it so that the car is going to be more electric, more automated, SDV, and AI enabled. On that path, we want to make it as quick as possible and make it affordable.
Thank you very much, Rachel, and thank you very much for your time during this conference. And yeah, it was great to listen your vision as well as the insights. So we wish you and Valeo a great and successful IAA 2025. Thank you once again.